Yeah, SpongeBob.
Where's our
Hi.
In my hand. Oh, not in my hand, but in here. I took a picture of him with this already. But not.
Oh.
Lay it out for Grandma.
Baby.
This is all the stuff
What you
Prescott
got?
bought.
What
Upstaged
you
me.
got? Yeah.
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
Free slippers.
Yay, glasses. Wait, honey.
Oh, we're getting ahead of ourselves, son.
Couple more shirts.
Check out that, son. Yeah.
Hats. Oh. More SpongeBob. All this from Daddy. All the things from Daddy.
Mash it.
Oh, and the shoes. And the shoes.
Yeah.
See, can I get a charger?
And these DC shoes. Mommy got a charge her phone too.
What?
Yeah.
Can I
Digging
get a
that.
charger?
Digging the SpongeBob hat.
charger?
Yeah.
Yes. Phone charge.
Yeah. SpongeBob hat.
Okay.
Oh, be careful.
Now I gotta put these back.
You just roll them out for now.
He did earlier.
I just cleaned them.
And then he bathed.
And again.
Man, good job, son.
Popping out them doots.
Thank you. Is there a plug over here?
Yeah. Over there.
Go get his diaper and wipes, man.
Doodle man.
Okay, pick your next gift that you're gonna.
Intermission.